Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Falmouth long-distance movers near me. At Local Movers in Falmouth, MA, 3 Movers understands that knowing the area's streets is essential for providing top-notch moving services. Our team's extensive knowledge of the local roads allows us to plan the most efficient routes for your move, considering factors such as traffic patterns, road conditions, and potential detours. This allows us to minimize travel time and avoid delays, ensuring a smooth and timely relocation. Our familiarity with the streets of Falmouth also allows us to anticipate any challenges that may arise during the move, such as narrow roads or restricted parking areas, and proactively develop strategies to overcome them. This ensures that your belongings are loaded and transported efficiently and safely. 3 Movers specializes in local moves within Falmouth, MA, and long-distance moves outside the city. Our experienced Falmouth long-distance 3 Movers are equipped to handle the unique challenges of long-distance moves, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition for our customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Falmouth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form,